Let's dive deep into the Earth's core and the Sun's core to uncover what's inside and why it's crucial to understand. Today, we are going to explore the fascinating comparison between the Earth's core and the Sun's core to understand what lies beneath the surface of these celestial bodies. The challenge of comprehending the extreme conditions and elements present at the cores of both the Earth and the Sun is a daunting one. Scientists have been studying these regions for decades, and even with advanced technology, it's still a struggle to grasp the intricacies of these unforgiving environments. The temperatures, pressures, and materials found at the cores are so foreign to our everyday experience that it's hard to wrap our heads around them. To make matters more complicated, there are inherent differences between the Earth's core and the Sun's core that make direct comparisons tricky. Despite these hurdles, researchers have made significant progress in understanding these regions, and that's what we're going to delve into today. As we explore the cores of these two celestial bodies, we'll uncover some mind-blowing facts and surprising similarities. Let's start with the Earth's core, which is divided into two main sections, the solid inner core and the liquid outer core. The inner core is a scorching hot, solid ball of iron and nickel, with temperatures ranging from 5,000 to 6,000 degrees Celsius. It's about the size of our moon, and its density is so high that it makes up only about 1/5 of the Earth's volume but 1/3 of its mass. Surrounding the inner core is the outer core, a liquid layer of molten iron and nickel that's responsible for generating the Earth's magnetic field. This dynamic, flowing layer is what creates the north and south poles and is essential for life on our planet. In contrast, the Sun's core is a massive ball of hydrogen and helium, undergoing nuclear fusion reactions that release an enormous amount of energy. These nuclear reactions are what make the Sun shine, and they're so powerful that they sustain life on Earth. The Sun's core is incredibly hot, with temperatures reaching as high as 15 million degrees Celsius. It's also incredibly dense, making up about 1/4 of the Sun's radius but accounting for almost the entire star's mass. The core is surrounded by the radiative zone, where energy generated by nuclear fusion slowly makes its way to the Sun's surface. The core is the engine that drives the Sun's life cycle, and without it, our planet would be a cold, dark, and barren place. Comparing the Earth's core to the Sun's core reveals some fascinating differences, but it also highlights some surprising similarities. Both cores are incredibly hot and dense, and both are essential for the functioning and stability of their respective celestial bodies. Both cores are also responsible for generating immense amounts of energy, albeit in very different ways. The Earth's core generates geothermal energy, which shapes our planet's surface and supports life, while the Sun's core generates the light and heat that sustain life on Earth. Despite these similarities, there are also some significant differences between the two cores, differences that speak to the unique characteristics of each celestial body. The key moment arrives when we realize the critical role the cores play in the functioning and stability of both the Earth and the Sun. The Earth's core is responsible for generating our planet's magnetic field, which shields us from harmful solar and cosmic radiation. It's also responsible for the geothermal energy that drives plate tectonics and shapes our planet's surface. The Sun's core, on the other hand, is the source of all life on Earth, providing the energy that sustains our ecosystems and supports life as we know it. Understanding the cores of these two celestial bodies is essential for appreciating the intricate dance between the Earth and the Sun, a dance that has shaped the course of our planet's history. In summary, understanding the Earth's core and the Sun's core provides profound insights into the dynamics of these celestial bodies and their impact on our existence. By comparing these two bodies, we gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate web of relationships that binds our universe together. If you found this comparison intriguing, make sure to check out our other videos on space exploration and celestial bodies. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below.